Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Boxycharm June base box and summer Luxe box. The base box features 5 full-size products with 1 product of your choosing every month for just $28. The premium box features 6 full-sized products with 2 products of your choosing every month for $40. The Luxe box features 8 full-sized products with 2 products of your choosing every 3 months for $60. Get a free gift at checkout and a $10 online store coupon when you join today with the link in my description box. Now that we've covered the details, let's go ahead and unbox the June base box and summer Luxe box. This month's base box theme is Express Yourself. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer, Viseart Bronze Noix, Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, Beauty Vault Eyeliner, and the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. Now let's see what we have inside the Luxe box. We have the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash, Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer, Keys Soulcare Let Me Glow Illuminating Primer Serum, Beauty BU Limited Collection, Iconic London Sheer Blush, Rare Beauty Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, Nars Iconic Lipstick, and the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products, starting with the Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. This is a purifying clay-based facial wash that deeply cleanses the pores to lift away excess oil and makeup from the skin, whilst reducing the look of blemishes and blackheads. It is unfortunately overwhelmingly fragrant. Next, I'm trying out the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. This is the skincare line by Huda Beauty. I love the consistency of jelly moisturizers, but this product is also extremely fragrant, which I'm not a fan of. Since we received 2 primers, I wanted to show them side by side on the back of my hand so that we can compare. The Keys Soulcare Let Me Glow Illuminating Primer is lighter in color and thinner in consistency than the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer. Both of them claim to be illuminating, but the Keys Soulcare one is so much more glowy, so I'm going to apply that one today. This is by Alicia Keys, and I'm surprised to see so many celebrity brands being featured in both boxes this month. I love seeing what each celebrity comes up with. Now to apply my foundation and concealer, I'm using the Beauty BU Limited Collection. This comes with 3 full-size and 3 mini makeup blenders. A portion of the proceeds from the BU collection will be donated to the Trevor Project in support of the LGBTQ+ community. It's great to see brands giving back so much lately. Now let's try out the Iconic London Sheer Blush. This is a liquid blush in the shade Rose Riot. I'm tapping it on with the same Beauty sponge. Such a flattering color. Now that we've tried all of the liquid and cream products, I'm going in with the Viseart Bronze Noix. This is a matte powder bronzer. It's not too warm and it's looking really nice and smooth on the skin. I love that we received an eyeshadow palette in each of the boxes, but since I've already tried the Violet Voss formula and know that I love it, let's give the Rare Beauty palette a go. This is the Came to Play Discovery Eyeshadow Palette. Let's swatch it. There are 5 matte shades, 1 shimmer shade, and 1 glitter shade. First, I'm dipping into the light pink shade called Good Heart. I'm applying this to the inner half of my crease. Next, I'm picking up the darker mauve shade called Always Worthy. I'm applying this to the outer half of my crease. After that, I'm grabbing the berry shade called Beyond Compare. I'm using this to add dimension to the outer V. It's blending really well. Now I'm sweeping my brush into the purple shade called Go For It. I'm applying this to my lash line. Next, let's dip into the glitter shade called No Likes Needed. I'm packing this on top of some NYX glitter primer that I just laid down to the center of my lid. Wow, that is really pretty. And so that we've tested out almost every single shade in this palette, I'm picking up the shimmery purple shade called Pick Me Up, which I'm applying to the inner corner of the eye. I love the duochrome effect it's giving. After that, I'm testing out the Beauty Vault Liquid Eyeliner. Let's do a quick swatch. Wow, it looks really black, but I can already see some bleeding happening, so that's not really a good sign for my hooded eyes. I'm just adding it right against the lash line. Now let's plump up these lips with the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plumper Lip Gloss. I haven't tried this before, but I have tried the Buxom Plump Shot, and it is pretty similar. Next, I'm applying the Nars Iconic Lipstick. This is in the sheer finish shade called Chelsea Girls. It's such a gorgeous color and my lips look so plumped. Finally, I'm applying the Patrick Ta Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade She's Expensive, which is a crystal pearl color. It's so shiny without being sticky, and the packaging is nice too. Here's the finished look using products from the Boxycharm June Base Box and Summer Luxe Box. Let me know if you're subscribed to the Base, Premium, or Luxe Box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.